Project management is the discipline that helps you in implementing various processes, methods, knowledge, skills, and experience for achieving the objectives of a unique project. To be a successful project manager, you will need to master a number of skills such as resource management, time management, handling conflicts, etc. This is where the PMP certification comes into focus. PMP ranks among world's best project management certifications for legitimate reasons, and it is also one of the most sought-after certifications. So if you are interested to know what makes PMP stand out among the rest, here is Vajiha from Edureka with a whole new session on PMP Certification Benefits. In this session, we'll be discussing what exactly is PMP, followed by the benefits of the PMP certification, both for the employee as well as the employers. So before we move on, just make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest Edureka videos. Also, if you are interested in getting an online training certification in PMP, check out the link given in the description box below. So coming back towards the session, what exactly is PMP? PMP stands for Project Management Professional. It's a globally acknowledged professional certification program in project management that legalizes a professional's education and experience in project management. Project Management Professional Certification is offered by the Project Management Institute or PMI. PMI is a not-for-profit professional membership association dedicated exclusively for the project management profession. PMP exam is based on PMBOK or the Project Management Body of Knowledge. It is a guide that includes everything you need to know in order to prove your knowledge and skills in managing the triple constraints, that is time, cost, and scope. But in order to get PMP credentials, you are expected to clear the PMP certification examination that is held by PMI. You can trust me when I say clearing the PMP certification exam is not a joke. But do not worry. With proper planning and hard work, you can definitely bag it in the first go. So now moving on towards the benefits of the PMP certification. As mentioned earlier, in this section, we'll be discussing how the PMP certification helps both the employees as well as the employers. When it comes to the employee, a PMP certification provides a number of benefits. So let's take a look at few of the most important benefits. The first is international recognition. The expectations from a project manager vary with the change in geographical locations, cultures, and industries. Since PMP certification is considered to be a proof of your professional achievement globally, you do not have to worry about anything. PMP certification gives you the freedom of working anywhere in the world. It demonstrates the expertise and skill set level in project management, which will immediately capture the attention of the employer. There are more than 1 million active credential holders throughout the world, and with this number, you can easily guess how people are competing with each other to reach the top. Increased salaries. According to the report published in the 10th edition Project Management Salary Survey, a PMP certified project manager earns up to 23% more than a non-PMP professional. The median salary varies across countries as well as the experience, designation, and the size of the project. The average salary of a project manager having PMP certification is about 19 lakhs per annum in India, $112,000 in the US, and the highest, which is $130,000 in Switzerland. To know what is the average salary of PMP certification professionals in other countries, make sure to check out the 10th edition Project Management Salary Survey. With PMP certification, underemployment doesn't even count. Rather, it's more likely that you will get overpaid for your job. Enhanced problem-solving skills. When you are the best, people will approach you to get the expert advice. PMP certification is a proof of your expertise on project management, so you will automatically gain the title of a problem solver. While leading a project, you will be trusted with solving complex problems on a daily basis. With the PMP certification, you will be learning various imaginative and innovative problem-solving techniques and strategies which will ensure the success of the projects. Work across industries. If you are a firm believer of this, then PMP certification is definitely for you. One of the major advantages of PMP certification is that it is not restricted to any specific industry or sector. With this, you get the liberty to work for any industry of your choice, be it the IT industry, healthcare, aerospace, defense, government, or anything else. Once you are PMP certified, chances of landing on your dream job will definitely increase. Not just that, being PMP certified also exposes you to various work scenarios and helps you in maintaining your PDUs. Builds leadership qualities. As a project manager, you will be required to bring your team members as a single entity. You must identify their strengths and weaknesses in order to fit them together to complete the project. Project managers are considered to be at the top of their game in meeting deadlines while containing costs and earning the admiration of their team as well as the management. With this, you will learn various leadership styles which you can apply according to your project needs or requirements. Edge over your peers. What I mean over here is, with the understanding of the need for project management, there has been a growing demand for project managers across industries. Over the past few years, PMP certification has become a golden standard and holds a high level of prestige within the project management and IT community. The PMP certified project managers are believed to have an advanced set of skills for ensuring the success of projects. Therefore, with a PMP certificate in your bag, you can definitely stand out among non-PMP candidates. So those were some of the benefits for the employee. Now coming towards the benefits of a PMP certification to the employer. Customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is one of the biggest priorities of every organization. The activities that are involved in project management are driven by the end users or the customers. They are involved in the project management activities right from the beginning. That is, from requirement analysis until the delivery of the end product or the project itself. This is the reason why project managers always include customer satisfaction during planning. For the same reason, PMI focuses to train PMP certified professionals in such a way that they can communicate efficiently with the customers and judge their requirements and also determine whether they are satisfied or not. Improved work culture. One of the crucial factors that decides the success or failure of a project is teamwork. Being a project manager, it's given that you will always be surrounded by people. Therefore, the responsibility of managing them as a team and leading them towards the same goal will fall on you. Being a certified project manager, you will have the best skills in the market to communicate and manage others to get your work done, not by forcing them, but by making it their will to do so. In other words, you will be the driving force behind your team, which will ultimately lead to a successful project. Unlike others, PMP certified professionals are highly reliable. You, as an employer, can trust a PMP certified professional to work above and beyond the call of duty, whether the project is small or big, simple or complex. A PMP certified professional will be able to successfully manage and deliver the best results. Increased success rate of projects. As mentioned earlier, PMP certified professionals are capable of communicating well with the customers. Not just that, they will also have learned to make use of the industry's best practices for successful on-time delivery of the products. As an employer, you will not have to worry about the complexity of the project when the project manager is a PMP certified professional. As a result, there are high chances of grabbing more and more projects and helping the organization itself to grow many-fold. So those were some of the benefits of PMP certification to the employer. With this, we've reached the end of the session. I hope you guys have enjoyed and learned something new. In case you have any doubts or queries, please do let me know in the comment section and I will revert to you at the earliest. We'll be back with more and more exciting sessions, but till then, goodbye and take care.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!